Good morning, students. So in the last video we have discussed about the parallels of the latitudes. I hope that part is clear with everyone. So a quick review about the parallels of the latitudes. These are the full circles that run from the east to west, and also they are parallel to each other. That is why they are also known as the parallels of the latitudes. Equator is the largest parallel there, and it is marked as 0 degree. The equator divides the earth into the two parts. The upper part, the northern part is known as the northern hemisphere, whereas the lower part, the southernmost part, is known as the southern hemisphere. Okay, so there were some important parallels also which we have discussed about, like equator, tropic of Cancer, tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. So this was all about parallels of the latitudes. Now we are going to move forward. Like the next topic we are going to discuss in this video is meridians of longitudes. Okay, so what is longitudes? First of all, longitudes are what? These are the semicircles that joins the north and the south pole. Look here, everyone. So we have here north pole, and here we have the south pole. Okay, north pole and the south pole. Longitudes are what? These are the semicircles. Semicircles means like here. It will join from north to south pole. The semicircles will join the passes through the north and the south pole. It's not like the latitudes, which are the full circle. Latitudes are the full circle on the earth, whereas these are only the semicircles which passes through the north pole and the south pole. These are the meridians of the longitudes. Meridians of the longitudes. I hope this is clear with everyone. What are the meridians of the longitudes? These are the semicircles. Semicircles means half circle, not a full circle. Semicircle is what? Like this. If I'll complete it, so it will be a full circle like this. It is a full circle, but if I am doing this, it is a semicircle. So these semicircles are your meridians of longitude. Okay, there are 360-degree meridians. They have equal lengths. Okay, so there are 360-degree meridians. The meridians are 360-degree and they have the equal lengths. The meridian passing through Greenwich is marked as 0 degree. This is called as the prime meridian. Like we have the equator, which is marked as 0 degree, we have the meridian also, which is marked as the 0 degree, and this meridian is known as the prime meridian. This passes through a Greenwich, which is near the London in the UK. Okay, the area lying to the east of this meridian is called the eastern hemisphere, while the area lying to the west is called the western hemisphere. The way we have the northern and that southern hemisphere, since equator divides it into the two equal parts, the meridian also divides the earth into the two parts. Okay, so due to these two parts, the western part is known as the western hemisphere, and the eastern part is known as the eastern hemisphere. The meridians are drawn at the interval of 1 degree on both sides of the prime meridian. The meridians which are towards the east of prime meridian are marked as degree E, and those on the west are as degree west. For example, meridian of Jaipur is 70 degree east. So basically, like latitudes are not the equal length. They keeps on decreasing when we move towards the pole from the equator. But in the case of longitudes, like if I consider this longitude and this longitude, they will be going to be equal. Means they have the equal length. All the longitudes are equal, unlike the latitudes. Latitudes are not equal. They keeps on decreasing if we move from equator towards the pole. If we move from equator to the pole, we will observe that the length of the latitudes decreases, whereas in the case of the longitudes, they are the equal in length. Okay, and also they are at the distance of 1 degree. There is an equal distance between them, interval at them, that is 1 degree. There will be a distance of 1 degree. If it is 1 degree, the other one will be 2 degree. And in this way we have the 360 degree meridians. So the meridians which are towards the east of prime meridian are marked as degree E. Means this is my east of prime meridian, this is my prime meridian. ठीक है, this 0 degree is prime meridian. Towards its right, towards its east, we have the eastern hemisphere, and this eastern hemisphere, the longitudes, the meridians are marked as degree E. Suppose this is 30 degrees, so I will write it as 30 degree E, 60 degree E. If I have to tell someone about this meridian or this longitude, so I'll say it is 30 degree E or it is 60 degree E. The same way we have the longitudes on the west side. So on the towards the west of prime meridian, towards the west of this prime meridian की west side means prime meridian के ये west hemisphere में जितने भी longitudes होंगे, all the longitudes in the western hemisphere will be marked as degree W. Means suppose if I consider 60 degree, so it will be marked as 60 degree west, 60 degree W. W means west and E means east. Like we do degree south and degree north in this latitude, the same way we do this in the meridian also, degree west and degree east. For example, they have given the example also that Jaipur, meridian of Jaipur is 75 degree east. So what we have discussed about meridians of longitudes is they are the semicircles. First of all, they are the semicircles. These are the semicircles which joins from the north to the south pole. Sorry. It joins from the north to the south pole. So these are our longitudes, meridians of the longitudes. They have the equal length. The length is equal. All the longitudes are equal in length. Whether you consider any degree longitude, but their length is equal. Okay. And also the way we have the equator in the latitudes, we have the prime meridian here. Prime meridian is marked as 0 degree. And the area lying towards the east of prime meridian is known as this area. This is east of prime meridian, so it is known as eastern hemisphere, whereas the western part is known as the western hemisphere. And also the interval between the longitudes is degree 1 degree. If this is 60, the next will be 61 and then 62 and so on. and the longitudes which are towards the eastern hemisphere are marked as degree east, whereas towards the west is marked as degree west. I hope this is clear with everyone. So this was all about meridians of longitude. We are going to end this here. In the next topic we are going to discuss, in the next video we are going to start with the next topic. Okay, so if any doubt you can ask me on the WhatsApp or on the YouTube comment section, and make sure you are watching the videos regularly and according to their part. Don't skip any video, watch in the sequence only. After part 1, part 2 only, part 2 के बाद part 3. Don't watch like this, you are first watching part 1, then you are watching part 3, and then you are coming back to part 2. If you will not watch in the sequence, you will not understand any topic properly. So make sure you are watching the videos in the sequence only. So that's all for today. Thank you and take care.